What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem lesson. Today, you know what I'm saying, I'm here to help. Today, I am your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man. You know what I'm saying, except I'm black and I'm not Spider-Man. But nonetheless, I am here to help. Today, we're going to be going over something extremely important that I feel like a lot of people struggle with. If you're profitable on your demo account when you're trading, or if you're back testing and all your trades is hitting, you the best trader on a demo account, but as soon as you switch over to that live account, you're struggling and you lose all your freaking money, this video is for you. You know what I'm saying? If you can back test for 3-4 hours and all your trades be hitting, you know what I'm saying, your win to lost. I said it right the first time, win to lose. If you winning more than you losing, you know what I'm saying? But as soon as you slide over to that real account, you just automatically just start losing all your freaking money. This video was literally made exactly for you, because I feel like a lot of people struggle with this. I used to struggle with this, and I'm here to help you. I'm going to tell you exactly what's wrong and how you can face it, so you can then go and be profitable on a real account, not just that demo account that does nothing for you. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these gems, you know what I'm saying? Because these are the most valuable gems in the world, but you already knew this, you know what I'm saying? As soon as you saw like my video pop up in your feed, you was like, dang, I gotta watch this video. Forget what my kids is doing, forget what my grandma's doing, forget about this $1 million deal that's on the line. Joovier videos are way more valuable than all them things I just mentioned. You know what I'm saying? You knew that. That's why you subscribe. But hit the post notification bell in case you haven't already. And let's just hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into this, I told y'all in my last video, I explained to y'all, I've been amping it up, you know what I'm saying? I'm finally coming out with a signals chart. Well, it's actually out right now. We have the pre-sale going on right now. You click the link inside the description. It's also going to be inside the comment section below. I literally started it this morning. I'm going to tell y'all what y'all missed out on. I'm sorry, but you should be following me on Instagram at Joovier_. Up there, somewhere up there. But you should be following me on Instagram because you missed out. I posted the link to the signals chat this morning. So you could have followed the exact trade that I took this morning that made me that much money. You know what I'm saying? I made $26,000 on that specific trade. I have other people that have sent in profits, people that got in early. Like I said, I released this super early in the morning because I knew I was taking a trade that early this morning. And I wanted to give y'all the opportunity to hop in that trade with me for the first day. But today is officially the first day of the pre-sale of the signals chat, which means that if you're getting at the price of what it is right now, you know what I'm saying, that's going to be locked in monthly for the rest of your life until you cancel. But on Friday is the full release of the signals chat, and the price is going to go up, but the mini course will actually be out on Friday. The mini course is really a whole mini course if you're a beginner and don't even know how to place a trade, if you don't know how to read charts, you know what I'm saying, that's all going to be included inside of the signals chat, and that's going to be coming to the signals chat on Friday. So if you get in now, you know what I'm saying, if you get in today, you'll lock in the cheaper price on a monthly basis, and you'll get access to that mini course once it comes out on Friday. So with all that being said, if that sounds some type of interest to you, you know what I'm saying, some type of value to you, go inside the link inside the description or inside the comment section down below and sign up for the signals chat. We finna go stupid. I might have some trades going out later tonight as well. Definitely, I'm gonna try to look for some trades tomorrow too. So you're gonna want to be tapped in, because like I said, I made a quick 26 bands on the trade that I put out this morning, and other people have profited from it too. So you could have made all your money back by then, but we're not gonna talk about it. We think about the future now. You know what I'm saying? And speaking of the future, let's hop right into this video. All right, so boom, I'm gonna be real with y'all. You know what I'm saying? I was struggling with this for a long time, especially in the beginning of my trading journey. I was killing it on demo. I was going stupid. You know what I'm saying? I was flipping 100K accounts. I was flipping 50K accounts. I was going literally stupid. I was the best trader in the entire world on a demo account. And as soon as I would load up some money inside my account, I would just suck. I would literally just be the worst trader in the entire world. I'm taking the same, I thought I was taking the same exact setups. I've been practicing, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm doing the same exact things that I'm doing on my demo account. But once it's on my live account, I feel like I just be losing. I used to think that the market was against me. You know what I'm saying? The market doesn't care about you. I'll tell you that much. The market does. It's like, you know what I'm saying? When people blame the devil for everything that happens in their life, the devil don't give a rat's butt about you. You messing up your own life. And it's the same thing that applies inside this whole trading thing. You know what I'm saying? The market is not like, dang, Josiah, I'm finna just make you depressed today and just wake you out of your position, or go right past your entry point and not give you an entry or all this stuff because you hesitated too long. The market does not care about you. You know what I'm saying? The market is not against you. You're just supposed to flow with the market. So with all that being said, I used to think the market was against me because demo account, you know what I'm saying? I'm killing it. As soon as I go live to make some real money, it's killing me. You know what I'm saying? And I used to think the broker was messing with me. I used to think all this stuff. But the truth is, if you are profitable on a demo account and profitable when you're back testing, you have no problem trading. You know how to freaking trade. So if you're profitable on a demo account, I mean like consistently profitable. I'm not talking about one day you did good, 1 week you did good. I'm talking about months you're consistent trading on a demo account. You know what I'm saying? You already know how to trade, and that is a fact. You know how to trade. The part that you have to work on now is your psychology. Because the psychology, I know you've heard, I know you're going to be like, oh, another dude saying psychology. It's definitely not psychology because my mind is telling me that I want $1 million, but I'm just not getting them. Listen, it's literally all about psychology. Learning how to trade is so easy. You can learn how to trade in a couple months, but the mind, conquering the mind and learning the psychology behind yourself, really learning yourself when it comes to trading is the hardest freaking part. And being able to not even learn yourself, but fight what your urges are. So let's say for an example, right? Perfect example. You see your setup. You've seen this setup a million times on a demo account. You've seen this setup a million times when you're back testing, but because you have a live account here, now you're second guessing. You're like, dang, is this the trade? Am I supposed to get in this trade? Because now you're about to risk $50, $100, $1,000, whatever it is. But in your mind, you're like, dang, is this really like a good trade? Is this the same setup that I usually see? That time that you thinking that, the price already then went past your entry point, and now you done missed out on your whole entire trade. Or it can be the complete opposite thing where you're like, okay, you know what I'm saying? This is not my trade setup. This is not what I practice all the time. But I think this is what's going to happen. And you enter inside a trade due to FOMO because you don't want to miss out because you see the price pumping. And as soon as you get in, you just the market just hates you, right? We talked about this before. The market just seems to hate you and goes in the opposite direction. Even though it was going up for the past 20 minutes, as soon as you get in, literally as soon as you press buy, it flips and you die. You know what I'm saying? It makes you all types of depressed because it takes you right out of the trade, then goes right back up in the direction. Now, I know this all sounds very familiar to y'all, and I'm trying to get y'all to understand this. I know y'all hear this all the time, psychology. I'm telling y'all, trust me, I'm a regular person. I'm not out here trying to scam you and say get your mind right. I don't care if your mind is right. I'm trying to help y'all understand what took me a very long time to understand was that psychology is huge, and it's not everybody else's psychology. It's your mind. You have to figure out what's wrong with you. You know what I'm saying? Like literally, you have to figure out what the heck is wrong with you, what mistakes you're making. A big tool that helped me kind of get over and understand what I was doing wrong so I can stop doing it was journaling my trades. Now, again, I know y'all have heard this all the time. You hear people talk about journal your trades, and you're like, I'm not writing those stupid trades down. I know I took this trade. I don't got to write it down to say I took this trade. I'm telling y'all, bro. I was the same. I'm like, I'm not writing no stupid trades down. I see the trade right here. I see what the heck happened. It didn't go where it was supposed to go. The market's stupid. You know what I'm saying? But literally, every single time you take a trade, this is literally a hack. Every time you take a trade, I don't know why I keep doing my hand like this, but every time why did I just open my hands? Every time you take a trade, whether you're actually trading or you're on your demo account or you're back testing, write if you won or lost the trade. Write why you think you won or lost the trade. This applies for both. If you lost the trade, write why you lost it. Understand and see why you lost it. Is it because you was being too eager? Was it because you entered too late? Was it because you was blinded and you didn't fully read the chart? You just hopped into a quick trade because you was occupied at the time. Write why you believe that you lost the trade, every single reason, as well as write how you feel after you lost. Like literally, if y'all go inside my notes right now, you know what I'm saying? I still have all my trades. I still journal my trades to this day. You know what I'm saying? If y'all go inside my notes right now, I'll be roasting myself. I'm like, I feel so stupid. I gotta be the stupidest trader in the world because I did the same thing that I messed up on yesterday. Like I write this stuff down so that every day I'll read what I did the day before or the couple of days before, so that way I don't repeat it. But also on the flip side, if you win a trade, write why you think you won the trade. Write how it made you feel. Write Okay, I waited for the perfect entry, and as I got the perfect entry, the price went, the trade went in my direction. You know what I'm saying? Write all this stuff down, because you'll start, one day you go back on your notes. One day you go back in your book and read all the things, all the trades that you took. And you're going to see repetition. You're going to see a bunch of different of the same stuff, a bunch of different habits, whether it be bad habits or good habits. If you always see in your book that you was always too eager, you was too fast entering into trades, or that you were always hesitant or whatever like that, if you see that multiple times in your book, work on that, because that's the main thing holding you back. You know what I'm saying? It's so easy to identify what the heck is holding you back when you write it down and see multiple times in your book or on your phone, in your journal, whatever it is, that this is what the heck keeps messing me up. And as soon as you can control that, as soon as you can feel, okay, I'm feeling kind of FOMO right now, I'm feeling like I should hop in this trade, and you're like, okay, I always do this and I always mess up, then you get to sit back. You know what I'm saying? You get to sit on your hands, because you're like, I'm not going to fall for the same thing that I always do and mess myself up. So with all this being said, if you are profitable on a demo account, I'm being 100% realistic with y'all. You know how to trade. You have no problem reading candlesticks. You have no problem seeing support and resistance, supply and demand, trend lines, Fibonacci's. You have no problem seeing any of these different things. You know how to trade, and don't keep trying to switch up strategies, thinking that it's your strategy. If your strategy is working on your demo account, it's almost 100% working on a real account, because the demo account is it's the same charts. You know what I'm saying? It's the same exact pairs. It's the same charts, same numbers. It's just the psychology behind it all when it switches to live versus a demo account. And also don't think that if you put only like $10 inside a real account that you're still not gonna care about it. You're still gonna care about that $10. It's real money. You care about it way more than you care about your demo account. I promise you that. You know what I'm saying? Even if you start trading on a live account with $10, you're still gonna think more about it than you would going inside to trade on a demo account. Just because you know it's real money. It doesn't matter how much real money it is. It's real money. So with all this being said, I said all of this to say, for the third time, if you're profitable on a demo account, you know how to trade. Congratulations. You're good. You've made it. But you've only made it a quarter of the way, because the hardest part is now overcoming your psychology. Watch a bunch of YouTube videos on psychology. I have a whole course, cryptoacademy.com, if you want to check it out. I have a whole psychology section in there. Just absorb as much psychology information as you can and learn the habits of the majority, and also learn your own habits so you can fight against it and understand the warning signs. Understand when you feel like you're about to hop into a trade just because you're bored, just because you missed out on a trade, just because you lost the previous trade, you want to make all your money back, just because you won the last trade and you think you're the best trader in the world, so you hopping into random trades that's not even your setup. You know what I'm saying? Learn your habits and all the things that mess you up psychologically. And once you do that, then you'll be able to be profitable just like you are on a demo account, on your real account. Then you'll be rich and you'll thank me and buy me a Lamborghini one day. And I really do look forward to that day. But that is the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Are you somebody that has struggled with a demo account? Well, with a real account, you've been killing it on a demo account. Like you post screenshots of your demo account, you flip the 10K demo account to $1 million. You're the best trader in the world. Call yourself Q Banks every day you look in the mirror. But as soon as you switch over to that live account, you start looking in the mirror, and all you see is a homeless dude that's not worth nothing. I've been there. I promise you, I've been there. You know what I'm saying? But that is the end of the video. Smash the like button if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop these bangers. You know what I'm saying? Also, if you're interested in hopping in every single trade that I take, every single Forex call that I put out, as well as another elite trader, you know what I'm saying? I got another dude in there that's doing 100K days. He's sending out signals in there too. So if that's something that would interest you and hop into all these trades with us, click the link inside the description. It's also inside the comments down below. Sign up for the signals chat. Make sure you sign up now. I would suggest you sign up now because you'll get a cheaper price. And it'll be locked in. That price will be locked in every single month. Versus you wait until Friday, and then you got the higher price. But yeah, that's pretty about it. Go look at all your trades. Go look at all your crypto. Go look on your Forex. Go look on your stocks. Go look on your psychology. Go look on that homeless man that you see in the mirror every day. Go look on life as a whole, man. And I'm seeing you in the next video.